So this is Video Journal 1 for Institutional Video. So me, Michaela, and John, our team, we got welding. And our point of contact for, I think it was West Campus, is Josh Burcham. Last Tuesday, actually, a week before last Tuesday, we talked to Josh. We went to his office, just kind of hash things out, kind of see what he was looking for and what we were looking to do. And basically we explained to him that what we're looking at is a documentary on the welding department and the different types of welding the program offers, and get, shots and video of welding, the different types, TIG, WIG, arc welding, just all that stuff. And he was fine with that. And he also, another little side thing he would kind of want us to do, we'll have to talk to you about this a little bit, Mr. Logan, but he wants us to do a little, 2-minute promotional video about the arc, or about the welding department, kind of like a little commercial that he could show someone that may be interested in joining the program, so they can kind of get an idea of what the program has to offer, what different types of welding and that kind of thing. So we told him we could do that for him. So then last Tuesday, we went down to the Goodwill on University, because that's where they do their welding. There's a welding department that's connected to the Goodwill. And we spoke to, Terry Hill. He is the instructor for arc, MIG, TIG, pipe welding. See, he even gave us his card, and we talked to him to kind of lay out what we're looking to do. And he's fine, with everything. He said he'd set up a time for us to interview him or the students, or to do demonstrations, whatever we were looking to do. He's fine with, as long as we give him enough notice ahead of time so he can get it set up and make sure he can be there to do it. And the way it works is they do TIG, they do each different type of welding for about 4 weeks, give or take, and then they move on to a different style. So our plan is to shoot video of that particular style of welding, and then wait till they start doing the next one, basically, and start shooting that, get all we can of TIG, and then wait for them to start up MIG, and then arc, and then so on and so forth. We'll also we'll interview the students. We'll interview Terry, and if we have to, if he's okay, we can interview Josh Burcham. He's kind of head of all the programs in welding. Well, actually, more than just welding, but so basically, we're going to meet on Thursdays in the morning, and we'll call ahead of time, probably call them tomorrow just to make sure everything's good for us to go over there and get footage. But that's how it's going to work. And also, there's a program that Goodwill is working with Forsyth Tech. They have a scholarship program. So we talked to a Rosa Williams. She is the scholarship career coach for Goodwill. Goodwill and Forsyth Tech, they work hand in hand, kind of you scratch my back, I scratch yours kind of thing. So we would like to talk about the program and also the career center that they have, because basically, in the welding program, once they're about done, maybe a year out after they graduated, they can still go to the career center to help them find jobs. And since they give scholarships, that's another part of the program we would like to put a spotlight on. That's why we talked to Rosa, and we would interview her and kind of get her take on the Goodwill side of things and how it works with the welding department and the career center. So that's really where we're at. We got a lot done on the first day. We got a lot of information, and everyone's on board and more than willing to help us make this happen. So I'm pretty excited about it. Should be a good project. So tomorrow we'll go over, Wednesday, which is tomorrow, we'll call them and make sure everything's good. And then Thursday morning, that's where we'll be. We'll go ahead and get some shots done. So that's all I have right now. And that's Journal 1.